Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hi guys, today's recipe is this beautiful Nigerian vegetable soup with spinach. This recipe is super good, tasty, nutritious, and I bet you're going to love it. Please don't forget to like this video, share to your friends and families, and subscribe if you haven't. Without wasting time, let's get started. To make this soup, you need cow foot or cow skin, goat meat or any meat of your choice, cow stripe, that is shake, snail, I am using dry one, stockfish, and dry catfish. I will add all the proteins in my cooking pot and season with roughly blended onion, seasoning cubes, and salt. I will mix to combine and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will add water, cover, and allow it to cook properly. After 20 to 25 minutes, the goat meat is soft to my liking. I'm going to take it out and grill it and allow others to cook properly. At this stage, I'll wash and add the catfish and allow them to cook together. For this vegetable soup, I'll be using frozen and fresh spinach. I will open the frozen spinach, add hot water to defreeze it. Next, I will chop the fresh spinach. After chopping, I will blanch the vegetable by adding hot water. I am going to wash this thoroughly to get rid of dirt, and after doing that, I'm going to take it to my sink and sieve it. After sieving, I will quickly add some very cold water and ice to stop the spinach from cooking. Sorry, I did not show that. I did it off camera. At this stage, the proteins are fully cooked, and as you can see, there is no stock in this pot. The proteins absorb all the stock. That way you will not have a watery vegetable soup. Now it's time for the main event. It's time to cook the vegetable soup. I've got my pot on a medium heat. Once it heats up, I will add a good amount of palm oil. Allow it to heat, then I will go in with my chopped onion. After frying for 2 minutes, I will go in with my grounded crayfish and fry for another 2 minutes. Next, I will go in with pepper and seasoning cubes. Next, I will go in with the spinach. Fry until the water in the spinach dries. Frying spinach this way will help the vegetable soup to last longer.
Delicious.
After frying for 10 to 12 minutes, I will go in with Uziza leaf. Uziza leaf will take your vegetable soup to the next level. If you haven't tried Uziza leaf in your vegetable soup, try it, just give it a try and thank me later. Over here are the grilled goat meat. I will cut them into bite sizes. Back to the vegetable. As you can see, the spinach is well dried. Next, I will go in with the grilled goat meat. After combining properly, I will go in with the rest of the proteins. Okay guys, this vegetable soup is giving me life. Oh. Vegetable soup with spinach. Honestly, after making this vegetable soup, you will never bother yourself of looking for water leaf for your vegetable soup. This is real, authentic Nigerian vegetable soup. And some people misplace vegetable soup with eforiro. Eforiro is with pepper base. But this one is palm oil. You really need your palm oil. Generous amount of palm oil in this type of vegetable soup. Yes, we all call it vegetable soup because it's vegetable. But there is difference between eforiro and Nigerian authentic vegetable soup. Or should I call this one Igbotic vegetable soup? Okay guys, I am ranting too much because this soup was so good guys. After mixing, cover and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. To finish it up, I will go in with my grounded crayfish. Mix to combine and voila! Our vegetable soup is ready. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Share our videos to your friends and families, and always be positive. Thank you and bye.